Yo, check it out, man. Y'all know who it is, man. This is Bandman Rio. How no felt what? Bandman Rio is her. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, man. Yes. Y'all looking at this motherfucking video right now. Y'all can't believe it. I am fucking out. My sisters came and bonded me out. Yeah, stop playing. Stop running y'all mouth and just listen. Check it out. It's only gonna take a few minutes, man. Look, I got some new shit coming soon, man. I'm finna come out with a website so y'all don't have to keep on hitting me up. But if y'all got questions and stuff, about like details on how those CPNs work or how to do the woo woo, you know what I'm saying? Hit me up. My number gonna be down below in the description. You know what I'm saying? But just to let y'all know, this shit is for entertainment purposes. Entertainment purposes only. This shit is not real. You know what I'm saying? I'm an entertainer. I don't know what I'm talking about, but you can either get a CPN, that's where you just make up a social, or you can get a profile, a real profile, that's somebody else's social. And how that work, I look up their credit score, right? I swear to God, I look up their credit score. And after I look up their credit score, if they got a good credit score, I'm going to just get you a fake ID and a fake social and get you bumming how you supposed to be bumming. You can get a job out there. You can get a house. You can get a car. You can get some loans. You can use a real live identification. So it's like, why not? You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I'd rather do somebody real social than to make up a social. You know what I'm saying? Because that's them CPNs, people caught on to it. You know, they go to the IRS and they do a background check. That's why most people for apartments or houses and stuff, they don't get approved because they do background checks and they run your shit and they see your shit is not in the IRS system. You know what I'm saying? Administrator. You know what I'm saying? That's what they call it. Just tap in, man. We gonna get some money, man. Tradelines, CPNs, and profiles. Hit me up. And I still got the banks booming. Hit me up, man. This shit never stopped. Y'all got me to 2K subscribers, folks. I can't believe that shit. Fold them grades. Just by getting y'all free sauce. I'm finna start getting paid from this shit, man. Look, love, bro. Look, just so y'all know this real. Bam. You know what I'm saying? I got a bogus ass phone, but man, tap in, bro. Tap in. I had to come outside to shoot this video real quick. I didn't want to do it in the crib. I got babies and stuff crying. You know? Bro. I'm finna take their ass to the park. You know what I'm saying?